Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Bgmi must be installed, and you need your profile ID or the other player's share code, typically 6-8 digits. Once done, open Bgmi and tap your avatar to reach profile. Make sure you're logged into the right account because share codes are account-specific. If you have the code copied, keep it on the clipboard. Also, check network stability. Using Wi-Fi reduces packet loss, so the request won't fail mid-process. Now you enter the code. Go to Profile, choose Friends, then add friend or enter share code. Paste or type the 6-8-digit code carefully. One wrong digit prevents the link. After submitting, you'll see a pending request. Notify the other player so they can accept promptly. While waiting, avoid closing the app. Keep Bgmi active so notifications register. If the request is accepted, the game syncs data, and you'll be able to send items or team up immediately. Finish by confirming the friend or share connection. You should see them in your friends list, and you can now invite to squad or send gifts. Once profiles are linked, test teaming via a quick match to ensure permissions are set. If something goes wrong, like invalid code or timeout, retry entering the code, restart Bgmi, and clear cache. Also check regional server status or maintenance notices. One key tip: if problems persist, have the other player resend their code after they relaunch the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.